So this cover, that's the driver's side fuel pump. The cover is off. That's the left side, and that's the passenger side, which is the right side. Fuel pump cover, we're gonna take that out now. Take out the first screws. Sorry for the light. So that's the right side fuel pump. So that's the pump on the right side. That's how you disconnect the electrical. Now we'll take a few lines out. So we put plastic bag. No gas. That's good. So the white one. Okay. Minimal gas spill. That's nothing. What's the rain? Okay, this is from the old one. I let the string through the hole so I can pick up the new one. This is from the white one is from the new pipe. No, that's from the new pump on the left. This is still the old pump. I'm gonna take it out and attach the string to the new pump. It's not this crazy, but that's what it is. So through the hole I pull the old pipe, attach string to it, so I can lead a new pipe there, and same thing from the other side. Well, so here are the both fuel pumps. They're out. I was lucky I didn't break anything. So that's it. So, and here that one is ready to be closed. I still have to put some of the pipes and electrical stuff in. You know, I wouldn't say it's easy, but I'm not able to put one of those plastic pipes, you know, to put it on the correct position. So that's what I'm gonna do now. Well, here I put back the lids of the fuel pumps, so that's back in there. I have to clean up and put back the trunk liner, and that's it. I took the car for test drive, and so far it starts and it runs. Didn't get stuck once. So looks like that solved the problem. So I did the fuel module. I changed the fuel pump module and bought new fuel pumps in tank.